All right, family. So your girl at Home Depot, and they got these little trees. They like smaller 1 gallon pots. Like that's a 1 gallon pot for $16. So all they little trees is $16 in the 1 gallon pots. That's something I have never seen before. I've been seeing everybody else posting theirs is 69, 110, and this blueberry is $7.88 in a 1 gallon pot. And they got all kinds. I don't want any more peach and plums. I might get a another Granny Smith. How you doing? It is. Apricot, $16. Negative 20 degrees. I might get that though. Something different. It's a plant with a second one. But I got apples and stuff, so they should be okay. Oh my God, this is amazing. But the fruit trees that I get, like the apples and plums and the peaches, I only paid like $24 for a full-size tree. So, but this is good for people who just now starting. Shit, y'all won't be spending as much as us, that started a few years ago or before spent. That's for sure. So y'all really winning, even though it's gonna take a little bit more time for your tree to be established. Now this raspberry is $11.98. Hardiness down to 20 degrees. Self-fertile. This plant will bear fruit without another variety. I like that raspberry. It look kind of dead. Y'all, it's been so hot here. And today it is almost 30 degrees. Great Reliance. Seedless. I got grapes. I might add some more grapes in the future. But for right now, I'm just looking for something I don't have. Like that apricot. I for sure want that one. The bigger trees, the smaller trees in the 1 gallon pots, they are $16. There's, and yeah, all these are 1 gallon pots for $16. I'm looking for something we don't have. I do want this. That apricot. I do want that. That raspberry do look good. This one looks better than the other one. I know this one ain't dead. Pears. All of these are pears over here. And they look healthy. Now these are the bigger pots. Like 7 gallons. What is that? Peach tree. And they $30. Yep. Oh, that's coming from this tree over here. That's coming from this. What is this? Sweet Bay Magnolia. So they didn't go up on us. Down here in Memphis in the South, they ain't go up on us, y'all. Like I've been seeing on some of y'all videos. It's actually cheaper this year for us than it's been. This is cheaper than when we started. They got nectarine. Our peaches and plums done already started blooming. The flowers are already open. $30 for that nectarine. Hardy down to 20 degrees. Got these pears. Can you tell me what it means? right, y'all. I just want to show y'all what our numbers was looking like down here. And the varieties we have at our Home Depot. And what's going on. I guess that's one thing we got to love about the internet is that we can keep each other informed one way or the other. Yeah, I said I want that raspberry and that apricot. That raspberry was $11. And the apricot was $11, I think. I said it's way cheaper than what we've been paying. So we actually winning. Yeah, it only $16 for the apricot. But it'll be some years before you get any fruit. You might get one or two off something that small, if that. They just took a little whip and grafted it on. And selling it for the hot $16. I guess if there's a will, there'll always be a way. All right, y'all. Stay blessed. I'm finna head in and see what they got inside. So I stopped by the local Walmart near me just to see what kind of trees they got. It's the same price as it's been being, $24. That's what I paid 3-4 years ago. So, but they are starting to bloom. Just beautiful. What is that? Bell of peach. Those flowers are beautiful. I can't even remember what kind of peach I got, but I might have to get one of them bell of peaches. I'm going to have to see which one I got at home. Because they bloom is beautiful. All those peaches, and then they got Golden Delicious, $24. I got a Golden Delicious. Peaches, plums, and apples, they doing pretty good. Belle of Georgia. I'm gonna have to get one of those. And y'all know at Home Depot I went and got that raspberry and that apricot. What is that? Peach. That's the peach Belle of Georgia. I gotta remember that. But yep, I'm just stopping. That fertilizer done shot through the roof. Golden Delicious. It's nighttime, y'all. I'm just stopping through to see what they had. You know, once you start looking, you just can't stop. Dwarf plum. So Walmart got the dwarf plums for everybody who wanted the dwarf trees. Peacher said, "Mama, let's get out of here." She done found her a plant.
I got this sunflower plant for my room, and I might plan to be in my room for the rest of the week.
Bless her heart. Santa Rosa. I got a Santa Rosa. No, this Santa Rosa. Deer resistant brown turkey figs. Blueberries. What is that back there? Brown turkey. Blueberry. How much are the blueberries? Peach is allergic to blueberries, so that's why I haven't gotten any blueberries this fall. Blueberries is $24. More dwarf plum, Santa Rosa. Alright, and these just regular native trees. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here.
Yeah. We're gonna have some tea.
Okay, so she got her little flower, y'all.
Mama,
I think it's a daffodil. And she got some strawberries. So that's that on it. Peace and blessings. Look at Mariana. Skipping school today just to play at Walmart. Just to play at Walmart. They skipping school. Collard greens. It's almost time out for them.
You gotta move your box away.
Making it real.